Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is Fix Your Problem PC YouTube channel and I am Asmat Nashad. Okay, so today in this video I am going to apply for YouTube monetization because I have completed my watch time and subscribers, and also I have reused contents. So follow me, because if you have any reused content, even one content, your channel can't be monetized. Okay, so all of the steps you have to follow me, and as you can see, there are some videos has age restriction and some has reuse content, and one of the video I trimmed. As you can see, there is a video I trimmed for 6 seconds, but my channel will be monetized. Okay, all of the steps you have to follow me and look at the time below, and I am applying. Now your application is under review. Okay, so I applied and I don't know when will be my channel monetized, but there will be a good message to look. Hello guys, welcome back to another part of this video. Now we have the active monetization for each of video for all of your videos. Okay, so go to content, and now all of the videos are disabled for monetization, but this one is ineligible because this video has age restriction, as you can see. Okay, so now we have to enable all of the videos for monetization. Okay, so click this video, this no, but this and select all. As you can see, select it, and now click on edit and then come to monetization. Okay, and now click on option, and now click on update videos. I understand the application of this action. Okay, click select and update videos. Wait for a few seconds, it is being updating. Thank you so much my YouTube team. Thank you so much my supporters, my viewers. I am very thankful for you. Okay, so all of the videos are enabled for monetization. Okay, so thank you so much and good luck, and consider subscribing. Thank you so much and thanks for watching.